Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Sampa. Today I'm going to teach you on how to convert an Excel sheet database into a mysql advanced database. Here is how you do it. You first need to open an Excel, create a table, create a database, a small database. From here, is how you do it. So you can see that I've created a small database. Here you can do, this is how you do the automatic numbering. Just put a formula. Here we are starting at A2, so A2 plus 1, meaning the rest of the others should be coming automatic. There you are. Then quickly write something. For example, my name is Peter Sampa. See, just put anything here. Age 30, position IT consultant, number +2, number 09736 840. If you want this to show with a 0, you can put a text there, then that's when the 0 can be added. For those who didn't know, there you know. Then you can put this one back or middle, whichever you feel comfortable with. Here I've created a simple small table. Now how do we do the conversion? This one has to be saved as an open sheet document. There I can just say Sampa database, Sampa DB. Then here, this is the name of a table. So the name of the table should be, let's say, employee. So this is how it will appear in the table when you export it. So there you are. When you finish, save it. Then go now, open WAMP saver if it's not open. In my case, this is open. Just go there, check, make sure it's green. Then open it. Wait a little bit.